Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn easy PayPal money for 2021. And this is the Cashapp review. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I mean any questions at all about this method. Okay guys, I haven't been on here for a while because I live here in Texas, so I didn't have any power because of the ice storm that we had, but I'm back up, I'm back running. Let's do this. Let's get to 6,000. So please watch this video all the way to the very end because something is going to pop up on the screen that will help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. So please watch this all the way to the very end. Don't skip anything. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay guys, I'm on the internet and I went ahead and went to the Google Play Store and I pulled up the app Cashapp, Cash Rewards app. Now this is a very good app to get some easy PayPal money. Now let's look at some of the screenshots right quick. So as you can see here, easily earn real money. And this is how some of the offers look right here. So these offers you're going to earn points and you're going to redeem those points in for PayPal money. And as you can see here, they have this offer. That's an offer wall. That's an offer wall. You can watch videos and do a little task. Let's go to the next one. So you're going to earn credits by doing some simple tasks. And you're going to get this once you complete the task. It's going to say 820 credits or, it's going to be different amounts. Let's go to the next one. So after you earn those credits, you're going to redeem those credits in for PayPal cash. So if you get 6,500 credits, you get $5. 13,000 credits, you get $10. 26,000, you get $20. 65,000, you get $50. Now you probably say that was a lot of credits you got to get, but once you do these little simple tasks, they're going to add up real quick and you're going to be able to get $5, $10, $15, $20 to $50 PayPal money real fast without doing hardly any work, guys. Let's look at another screenshot here. So right here, they let you know once you made a payout, you're going to get the money in 3 days. So it's real short time of you receiving the money after you redeem those credits for PayPal money. And it says here, an effective way to make cash. So how can I earn money? So complete tasks as set in each offer. Accumulate as many credits as you can. Redeem your credits for cash. It's real simple, guys, real simple. Now let's just scroll down here and I'm going to read a little bit more. So right here it says earn real cash for completing simple tasks with Cashapp. Make money for completing surveys, watch videos, giving your opinions, trying services, free trials. This is an easy tasks make Cashapp. So it's an easy task, guys, easy. Now let's look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.5. Wow. Now, I haven't seen that many apps out there. It's a very few that I've reviewed and found out their rating was over 4.5. So this is one of the top 5 apps, guys, with this high of a rating. Because anything over 4 is already good. But if you halfway to 5 stars, this is a very, very good app and is legit. So let's read one of the reviews here. So Patrick, he said, really useful app, overall really good, paid out $150 in the last month of having it. Wow, guys, just doing some simple stuff on here, simple offers, and you can get $150 within a month. You probably could have got more than that. He probably just did a few things, a few tasks, watched some videos, and got paid. And plus, he went ahead and used the referral program and accumulate more points to make even more money. So guys, this is a legit app, and this app you can make some good money. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making some real good money, go ahead and go to Cashapp, Cash Rewards app in the Google Play Store now. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really do want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching this video all the way to this point. So for the ones that did watch it all the way to this point, please type this number that's going to pop up on the screen right now. That's going to let me know that you guys watched this video all the way to the very end. And also it's going to increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. So type that number down in the comments below. Okay, guys, thanks again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. And please, again, share this video. Let's get the 6,000, guys. Let's get the 6,000 by the end of February. We only have about 6 or 7 days left, and I want to get there, guys. We're halfway there. Let's get there. This is not my channel. This is you guys' channel, and we're going to be the latest channel on YouTube. We just got to keep growing. All right. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and have a prosperous and safe day. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on.